So for me, when I'm writing any audit content, in particular work paper updates, the first thing that I do is look at what changed last, like what was the last update. And then I look through all the content that's come across, right? So whether there was some technical issues update or whether there was some new standards that are out there, and I kind of try to prioritize them. And then once I go through that, I kind of memo out each of the different phases. And then I try to figure out which work papers are going to be related to that. And I go through those first, but I don't stop there. I like to go back through every work paper to see if there's a practice note that could be added or if there's some reference that we can make. So even though only certain work papers truly need to be updated on an annual basis, I look at every work paper on an annual basis. It's not always just an update for technical purposes. It's sometimes update for clarity or better practices, or maybe a practice note to help somebody figure out what they could do better there. I think the real motivation behind writing audit content was that I get to work with amazing firms all over the country, and I don't get to do auditing anymore. I teach continuing education full time. And so for me, to be able to still be in the weeds of work papers was really critical. So, when I'm talking to a firm and they're talking about issues that they have, like I now get to take some of that back and actually incorporate it in, and like being able to be in the weeds of an audit work paper and not have the opportunity to go out there and do an audit. I think it kind of gives me the ability to feel like I'm still doing auditing, even though I don't get to do it full time anymore. I'd say my favorite part of writing audit content is writing the practical notes that go with it, because you can go and read the standard, right? There's nothing stopping from people from going out and actually looking at a SAS or looking at an, compliance supplement. That's my favorite part, to really think about, okay, what can I put in here to help someone know why they're supposed to be doing this? How can I help them do it better? Help them with their documentation influences. So I really enjoy trying to take not just the technical, but the practical with it.